Good morning, students. Welcome back in this class. Today we will discuss about some numerical problem which is based on the electricity. Under the previous session we have completed the concept of the electricity. So now let us start the first question of in this video, that is compare the power used in 2 ohms resistor in each of the following circuits. A 6-volt battery in series with 1 ohms and 2 ohms resistor, and second 4-volt battery in parallel with 12 ohms and 2 ohms resistor. So in this question, compare the power used in the 2 ohms resistor in each of the following circuit. So here is the given two circuit diagram. First is the first circuit, now that is the second. So here the 1 ohms and 2 ohms resistor are used in the series, and here is the potential difference or voltage are used in the 6 volt. Now second circuit given here. So in this circuit there are the two resistors are used, 12 ohms and 2 ohms. They are connected in the parallel, and battery are used in this circuit, that is the 4 volt. So now compare the power in each 2 ohms resistor. So according to this question, what is the power in 2 ohms resistor, and here is the 2 ohms resistor. So first of all, the power, here is the power on 2 ohms resistor. So in this the first circuit, there are the 1 ohms and 2 ohms are used in the series combination. So as you know that if the 2 or more than 2 resistors are used in the series combination, the current flow in each resistor will be same. So here is the 1 and 2 are the connected in the series combination. So electric current will be same in 1 ohms and 2 ohms, and potential difference in each resistor will be different. So first we calculate here 1 ohms and 2 ohms, the effective resistance of the 1 ohms and 2 ohms. As you know that the equivalent resistance in the series combination, sum of total individual resistor is same as the effective resistance in this circuit. Now let us suppose the total or effective resistance in this circuit, that is R, and here are the 1 ohms and 2 ohms are used in this circuit. They are series combination because they are connected in the end to end, and here is the electric current. Suppose that electric current flows in this circuit, that is I. So electric current will be same in this circuit in each resistor, that is the 1 ohms and 2 ohms. So the effective resistance is here, then sum of all individual resistor. There the two resistors are used, 1 ohms and 2 ohms. Then effective resistance 1 and 2 are, that is 1 plus 2. So here is 3 ohms. So next, what is the power on 2 ohms resistor? So the formula power, we know that the P equal to I square R. P equal to I square R. So now next we calculate in this circuit what is the electric current flows across through the 2 ohms resistor. So 1 and 2 are the series combination. The current will be same in each circuit, in each resistor here. So electric current, according to Ohm's law, we know that the I equal to V by R. So here is the potential difference is given in the circuit, that is the 6 volt. Then V, the value of V equal to 6 volt, that is 6. Now the resistor are used, 1 and 2 are here in the series combination. So effective resistance is also calculated 3 ohm resistor. Then put the value of R equal to 3 here, that is 6 by 3. Then we can see that here I equal to 2 ampere. So now the next step in this question, that is the power. So we can calculate here the power is on the 2 mega resistor is, that is E equal to I square R. So electric current in this circuit, the value of electric current I in this circuit, that is the 2 ampere. We can see that electric current I equal to 2 ampere. Then put the value of I equal to 2 in this formula, that is 2 square. And resistor are used in the 2 ohm resistor, because according to the question, the power on the 2 ohm resistor. So R equal to 2. The value of R equal to 2 omega are used in here, that is R equal to 2. Then P equal to, that is P1, P equal to 2 square 4 into 2, that is 8 watt. So it is clear that in the first circuit diagram, power on the 2 ohm resistor is 8 watt. Now the next circuit is given here. So this circuit is made by the 2 ohm resistor, that is 12 and 2 ohm resistor are used in this circuit, and the battery are used in the 4 volt here. So first is the, what is the power? Suppose that power on the 2 ohm resistor are used, that is P2. And in this circuit, there are the 12 and 2 are used the parallel combination. As you know that the parallel combination are used in the any circuit. So the electric current will be different on each resistor, and the potential difference on each resistor will be same. So in this circuit, the potential difference will be 4 volt, and 12 omega and 2 omega are used in the parallel combination. Then power on the 2 omega resistor is, the formula of power in relation between the potential difference and resistance, that is V square by R. We know that the formula of power in related to the potential difference and the resistance, that is V square by R. So in this case, the potential difference are given in this circuit, that is the 4 volt. Then potential difference in each resistor will be same, because they are connected in the parallel, because 12 by 2 omega are joined to common point, and electric current on each resistor will be different due to the they are combined in the parallel combination. So here the potential difference is 4 volt, then 4 volt apply, 12 omega and 2 omega are the same. So potential difference is here is the 4, that is the value of V equal to 4 square by R. So power on the 2 omega resistor, then the value of R equal to 2. Then put the value of R equal to 2 in this formula, that is 4 square by 2, that is 16 by 2. Then simplify here, that is 8 watt. 8 watt. So in the first circuit, power on the 2 omega resistor, that is P1 equal to 8 watt. Now next second circuit, then power on the 2 omega resistor, that is 8 watt. So in this question, compare the power used in the 2 omega resistor in each of the following circuit. The power of 2 omega resistor on each circuit is same, because the value of power on in the first circuit, that is 8 watt, and the power applied here to omega on the 2 omega resistor, that is 8 watt. The power is same in each resistor, in each circuit will be same. So now the next question, that is here. So now the next question is here, which uses more energy, a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. So in this question, which uses more energy, a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt a toaster in 10 minutes. So which appliances is consumed more energy? So first of all, we calculate the electrical energy in TV set. So here is the power of TV set is given, that is the P1. Now the TV set, that is power is given in this question, that is 250 watt and time equal to 1 hour. So what is the electrical energy are consumed by the TV set if the he used in the 1 hour, and power of the TV set is given here 250 watt. So according to the electrical energy, we know that the electrical energy is same as the power into time, equal to P into time. So the value of the power on the TV set is given in this question, that is 250. So put the value of power in this formula, that is 250 into time is given here 1 hour. So hour is changed in second, that is 250 into 60 into 60. Then nine Joule. Now the next 1200 watt to a toaster in 10 minutes. So electrical energy consumed by the TV set is the 9 lakh joule. So now next is the what is the electrical energy consumed by a toaster in 10 minutes. So now next power of the toaster is given here, that is toaster. So power is given here is 1200 watt and time is given, that is 10 minutes. Then the electrical energy consumed by the toaster, that is, we know that the electrical energy equal to power into time. So put the value of power is 1200 watt, 1200 into 10 minutes, and the minute converted into second, then 1200 into 10 into 60. So we can write here 72, and that is the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is clear? Joule. Clear? It is clear that the electrical energy consumed by the TV set 9 lakh joule, and the electrical energy consumed by the toaster 7,20,000. 7,20,000. So now the electrical consumed by the TV set and the toaster, there are the 9 lakh is greater than the 7,20,000. So it is clear that the electrical energy consumed by the TV set is more than the electrical energy consumed by the toaster. So in this question, which uses more energy? That is the TV set. The right answer is the TV set, because the electrical energy consumed by the TV set is here 9 lakh joule, and the electrical energy consumed by the toaster is here 7,20,000. So 9 lakh is greater than 7,20,000. So electrical TV set is more energy consumed than the toaster.